The contraction of cardiac muscle is modulated by the cardiac conduction system. This system of specialized myocardial cells generates and conducts excitatory impulses in the heart. To know more about the conduction system of the heart, you can watch our video under the title, The Heart and Cardiac Cycle. The conduction system of the heart contains two nodes, both located in the right atrium. First one is the sinoatrial SA node, known as the pacemaker. And the other is the atrioventricular, or AV node. SA node is situated below the superior vena cava opening into the right atrium. Impulses generated by the SA node are conducted throughout the atrial musculature, which causes synchronous atrial contraction. Impulses then reach the atrioventricular, AV node, which lies near the interatrial septum, just above the opening for the coronary sinus. From here, the impulse is transmitted to the ventricles via the atrioventricular bundle, or bundle of His, which descends into the interventricular septum. The bundle of His divides into right and left bundle branches, which send impulses to Purkinje fibers that lie within the subendocardium of the ventricles. And the position of the Purkinje fibers accounts for the almost synchronous contraction of the ventricles. So these were all the anatomic structures involved in the conduction system of the heart. Now the last part of today's lecture is about the nerve supply of the heart. The heart receives both a sympathetic and a parasympathetic nerve supply, so that the heart rate can be controlled to demand. The parasympathetic supply, that is for bradycardic effect, is derived from the vagus nerve. That is, the left vagus nerve for the left side supply, and the right vagus nerve for the right side of the heart. And the sympathetic supply, which includes tachycardic and positive ionotropic effects, is derived from the branches of the superficial and deep cardiac plexus. So this was all about the structures involved in the conduction system and nerve supply of the heart. And by this, we are done with the detailed anatomy of the heart.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.